Hello, I'm Mike Killalea with the International Association of Drilling Contractors. I'm here at the 2009 IADC Environmental Conference in Stavanger, Norway with Mr. Claus Hemmingsen, who is partner and CEO of Maersk Drilling, and also 2009 IADC Chairman. We're going to talk briefly about environmental performance and initiatives for the drilling industry. Mr. Hemmingsen, thanks for your time today. How, in your opinion, is the drilling industry performing with regards to environmental performance and initiatives?
Well, when I look at our industry today, I think that we can all take great pride in acknowledging how far we have come actually. We've come enormous challenges and we've reached many milestones in the industry. We constantly develop new technologies, we streamline our operations, and we always have a keen focus on our safety culture. Now we have a new challenge. I mean, we need to have a visible and actionable environmental stewardship. It's time for us to make sure that we take meaningful action that can really make a difference and really raise the awareness of our industry. We're working on a new motto, reduce, reuse and recycle, and that should be the way that we operate. Especially when it comes to the more subtle emission standards and energy consumption, I think we need to go a step further as an industry. In other words, our commitment is strong. The action may not be as profound, or at least they may not be as visible. So our goal should be to create an environmental culture that matches the outstanding culture that we have in safety aspects.
What can the industry do to move this bold initiative forward?
Well, the place of us to start is to make a comprehensive industry-wide benchmarking exercise that would allow us to measure our performance, measure our environmental efforts, and compare ourselves to others in the industry. This would create high standards for the industry as a whole. We also need systems to report our environmental efforts that would facilitate transparency and sort of guarantee similarity in the standards that we operate by.
And what do you see as IADC's role in this?
I think IADC's main role is to consolidate the views of our members into an industry standard, to create an openness for new ideas and to make sure that we support the environment and that we establish standards and guidelines for our members. Last year, IADC established the Environmental Policy Advisory Panel to guide our members on strategies, actions, help them to interpret policies and legislations on the environment. And we will also try to reach out to operators and other stakeholders to improve the overall image of our industry in the environmental aspects. This is still in our early stages, but we simply need to get up in gear and get into action.
Thank you very much for your time and insights, Mr. Hemmingsen. And thank you all for your attention. Please learn more about IADC environmental initiatives and about other critical issues from IADC periodicals, www.iadc.org, and drillingcontractor.org.